It seems like you're asking us to rely on your good corporate citizenship, too, that you wouldn't go after the university or the hospital or that sort of thing. I mean, if we decide the case in your favor, you could. You're just saying you wouldn't?
I don't think that we could. We certainly couldn't readily. And again, I think that there's going to be I mean, first of all, the hospitals are in sort of a different position. They're kind of like more of the intermediary where, and there's no safe harbor that's specific to hospitals and universities. I mean, the Congress was very focused in 1998 on the role of ISPs in all of this, and they wanted to create an incentive for the ISPs to adopt reasonable measures. And I think that would certainly accommodate measures that treat multi-user addresses quite differently from residential customers.
If you lose, what is the effect on your copyright holders? Like, you know, because you monitor and then send the ISPs the accounts that are downloading the copyrighted material, right? So you could still try to protect your copyright, but it wouldn't be as deep a pocket and it would be a lot worse, right? If you had to go after the individual users themselves, but you wouldn't be without recourse.
We would be without scalable, functional recourse. And if you look at the Seventh Circuit's Amster decision, like even back then, Judge Posner had a nice phrase for what direct infringement is, which is it's a teaspoon solution to an ocean problem. So if my clients are limited to direct infringement actions, they are in very, very dire straits. But it's worse than that, because the key thing about the safe harbor is the safe harbor is not only what gives the ISPs an incentive to behave responsibly, it's also what gives them an incentive to come to the table and have negotiations with the content community. And if you look at the Motion Pictures Association brief, they talk about this at length. And if you look at the report of the Copyright Office, they put out together a 200-page report on 512 and the safe harbors. And what they talk about is how important it is for essentially both sides to have skin in the game.
I guess if